Best sex positions for female orgasm Part 4. 12. Cowgirl. Do it. You stoop on top, pushing off your accomplice's chest and sliding all over his thighs. You can mitigate a portion of your weight from his pelvis by reclining and supporting yourself on his thighs. Why? By being the prevailing in this sex position, you'll defer his peak and escalate yours. Make it more blazing. Find new sensations for both of you by augmenting your knees or carrying them closer to his body. 13. Reverse cowgirl. Do it. Your accomplice lies on his back. You straddle him, confronting his feet. Why? This position gives you a chance to take control and show your person the pace and musicality you like. Make it more smoking. To get more influence, put your knees and shins inside his legs and under his thighs. 14. Cowboy. Do it. You lie on your back while your accomplice straddles you. He at that point delicately embeds his penis through the tight opening made by your semi-shut legs. Why? Snugness builds the power of the entrance. Make it more sultry. Have him pet your bosoms or delicately hold down your wrists for a little servitude activity. 15. Ballet dancer. Do it. Remaining on one foot, face your accomplice and fold your other leg over his abdomen while he helps bolster you. Why? This sex position takes into consideration quality exposure and associating. Make it more sweltering. In case you're extremely adaptable, give putting the raised leg a shot his shoulder for much more profound infiltration.